Okay, so got some material. This is 1.2 wide roughly, and I have my cushion which will sit on here. It's a 41 centimeter cushion. It's got about a centimeter overlap on it either side. All right, and what happens is I will fold this over. Okay, and fold this over. And you can see there's a little bit of overlap. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put an edge on here. So we're going to fold this up and stitch it, put a seam on it. So fold it twice and seam it. And same with here. And that will be the start. Yeah. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to put an edge on this. It's called selvage. And we've got to fold this. We fold this twice. Actually, we can just fold once. Once is fine. It's only rough. So fold that, and then I'm going to want to put a stitch down here. All right. But the problem is it's hard to hold. So you grab your pins, and you just put your pin in. We'll try and put your pin in. Okay. Just to hold it in place. Try and keep it the same all the way down. Okay. It won't really matter because this will be on the inside anyway. Okay, and then we want to sew along that line. All right. Stop. Okay, I've probably already showed you how to set up the sewing machine with the cotton and how to load the bobbin and how to put it in the machine. So now what we're going to do is just put a line along here. Now, probably this is not the best place to do it, but I'm just going to go straight down the middle. It doesn't matter where, straight down the middle. So first, before we put the material on where the foot is, and there's a little white part down here. Do that. Down on the floor is a foot plate, which you have to step on to actually make it work. All right, so be careful and just like driving a car, which I don't know how to do either, but you're just going to press it just very gently and slowly go forward, like that. Now it's doing a zigzag pattern, so I don't really want it to do a zigzag pattern, but it will do for now. It's on the inside. Take your time. Oh, make sure, remember to take out the pins. Okay, and then just run it through. So I've got the foot just near the edge, that way it makes it easy to line up. Once you get a bit more confident, you can go a bit faster. Take your time. The pins are just what's holding the material in place for me. So it's feeding slowly. Probably first time I'd be a bit nervous, but good hang up. Don't sew through your finger. Now, when you get to the end, you want to tie a knot in a sense. So, press it here, and there's a button that allows me to go backwards. I think it's this one. So this goes backwards, let go again, forwards, start off the edge, keep going. Okay, and there's a little, on this side there's a little bit where I can just hook it and it will cut it. Right, and there's my edge. That's not too bad. Okay, stop, so.
And just show the hook.
Yep, stop. Okay, so this is Sophie taking over now. So you can see, I'm just leaving a little bit of this material on the right hand side. Oh, too much. Whoop, where are you going?
I don't know.
Take the pin out. We've got to straighten that up. Alright, so Sophie's going to try and slowly get it back on. That's it. Oh, stop it again. Oh,
Hey,
very
you're stopping.
okay.
You're meant to stop.
So as we said, at the end, press this down for a second. That's up. And we do a bit of a cross. Lift that up. Hold it out. Good deal. I just want to put a stitch down this side. So put the foot plate down. That's nice, neat, and straight. So if we can- There's quite a lot of material in here. Okay, so at the moment it's sewing, and this is the bit where it's a little bit hard because we go over lots of material. Try this. Stick it up, tuck it under. So go backwards a little bit. Just make sure that's where it's going to be weakest. It's all fine so far. Go back spin.
How much it's going? How much like this going?
It's turning, isn't it, Eddie? Can you see the zigzag stitches? What are you making? Don't know. Okay, we'll find out. Now here, I'm not really holding it together because it's just a stitch, so just go straight off the edge. Back for two, and forward. Okay.
Stop. Stop filming.
Yep. Don't leave it. Okay. Can you take the pin out for me? That's it. Good boy. Put it over there. Yeah. Good. Okay. Well, there you go. Don't leave it. Don't leave it. No more pins coming. Oh, no, this one. Take the pin out. No, this one. Pull it out. Yep. That's it. Good on. There you go. Still going straight? There's no pin on it. Oh, nice. And then get stop there. Some more pins there. Take it out.
Okay. This one. This one is coming.
No more pins? Jump down. Yep. So as we said, that we've made that bit there, and we've sewed the other bit there, and we've sewn the two edges. So now we're just going to turn it inside out, like a pillowcase. Well, it is exactly a pillowcase. So turn it all inside out. Hopefully I haven't stuffed it. Okay.
I did lots of rolling.
Did lots of sewing, did you? Okay. Right, push the corners out. Okay, so there's our pillowcase, our cushion case. All right, and then all we need to do is put our cushion in. So we just put it in like this. I smell nice, do I? That's good. All right, tuck it in. Just make it nice. Done. There we go. A loose thread. That's it. Made our first cushion.